ClickUp's table view adds even more customization to our ever-growing toolkit. With its consistent cell size and text-based format, table view is the ideal feature for people working with bulks of data. To add a table view, select a space, folder, or list, then navigate to the Add View button. Then select Table View. Once the view is added, you'll see your property laid out in a spreadsheet format, similar to what you'd see in Excel. Each row of the table view is a task, and the columns are the various properties of each task. The table view will automatically inherit properties already set on a task, like due dates, status, and priority. Each cell can be edited directly in table view, or for fields like attachments, files can be opened directly from the table view. If you want to open up a task to edit it individually, you can hover over the task name, then click the expand icon. Or you can use arrow keys to navigate through cells and open up tasks using the spacebar. Once you've edited the task, you can close it, which will drop you right back into the table view. You can add as many additional columns as you'd like, using the plus icon in the upper right-hand side of the table. The columns or new fields you can add in the table view are the same ones you can add if you were in list view. Let's create a drop-down field column as an example. Once selected, you will be prompted to give the column a name. I'll call this column Risk Level. Then, you can create the drop-down items by giving them a name and a color. When you're done naming and coloring your drop-down fields, click Add Column. With this new column created, I can start labeling tasks with my preset options from my Risk Level drop-down menu. Columns can be dragged and dropped to easily reorganize your table view. If you want a column to always stay on screen no matter how far you scroll, you can pin it to the view and it will track along with you. As with other views, Table View also has grouping capabilities, which allow you to quickly organize your table into visually clustered groups. You can also show or hide subtasks and toggle between Everyone and Me mode to see tasks only assigned to you. Table View also allows you to adjust your row height to be small, medium, large, or huge. You can also hide any columns on your table view by selecting the Hide Columns button and then toggling off whichever columns you want temporarily hidden. Items in your table view can also be easily copied into other spreadsheet tools like Google Sheets. Simply click and drag to include the cells you want to share, copy them, then go into your other spreadsheet tool to paste them. Table View can also be exported as a CSV file for use outside of ClickUp. The Table View is a powerful new way to manage work in ClickUp with limitless applications. If you have any questions about Table View, please let us know at help@clickup.com.